For thousands of years, humans lived as nomads. They hunted animals and gathered wild plants for food. This way of life changed about 10,000 years ago. People began to settle in one place. Some started cultivating crops and domesticating animals, marking the beginning of agriculture. Farming allowed humans to produce a surplus of food. This led to larger populations, permanent settlements, and the development of civilizations. Early farmers quickly learned that healthy soil was vital for healthy crops. They observed nature's cycles. They saw how decaying leaves enriched the ground. They saw the value of returning organic matter to the soil. These early practices, while simple, held the key to sustainable farming. However, as populations grew and demand for food increased, farming practices started to change. Farmers began to look for ways to produce more food from the same amount of land. This led to practices like intensive tilling, which disrupts the natural structure of the soil. The early 20th century saw a revolution in agriculture with the invention of synthetic fertilizers. These fertilizers, created in factories, provided plants with readily available nutrients, particularly nitrogen. This led to a significant increase in crop yields, effectively addressing the growing demand for food. However, this seemingly miraculous solution came with unintended consequences. The excessive use of synthetic fertilizers has several drawbacks. They can deplete the soil of essential nutrients, disrupt the balance of microorganisms, and pollute water sources. Additionally, the production of synthetic fertilizers is energy-intensive, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. As farmers, we are not just producers of food, we are also custodians of the land. We have a responsibility to care for the soil, water, and biodiversity that sustains us. Every decision we make on the farm has ripple effects on the surrounding ecosystem. It is essential to remember that we are part of a delicate web of life. Ancient wisdom teaches us to work in harmony with nature, not against it. The health of our farms, our communities, and our planet depends on it. By embracing sustainable practices, we can ensure a bountiful harvest for generations to come. Regenerative farming offers a path towards a more sustainable future. This approach focuses on restoring the health of the soil, increasing biodiversity, and enhancing ecosystem services. It draws inspiration from nature's own systems, mimicking the cycles and processes that maintain balance in natural ecosystems. Regenerative practices include reducing tillage, planting cover crops, integrating livestock, and using compost and other organic amendments. These practices improve soil structure, increase water retention, sequester carbon, and enhance the overall resilience of the farm.